Up first this evening, the impact of a power outage Monday night continued to be felt this morning.
Scores of Jamaicans were left in darkness following the outage, which is said to be the result of the ongoing industrial action by Jamaica Public Service JPS employees.
Now, we'll have the latest on the wage negotiations in just a moment, but first, from households to the commuting public and businesses, the hours of no electricity brought several sectors to a standstill.
As if being in darkness the night before wasn't bad enough, the lack of electricity continued Tuesday morning, impacting several industries. Motorists throughout the corporate area found themselves at a standstill in several locations as traffic signals were down. Malines, Halfway Tree, Hope and Old Hope roads were among several where traffic was barely moving. Officers from the JCF's Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEP, had to be deployed at most intersections as they tried to restore order. In a statement to the media, the National Works Agency, which has responsibility for traffic signals, acknowledged the chaos, but said there was nothing they could do as the signals can only be restored following the reinstatement of power supply. But in addition to manning traffic signals, area divisional and shift commanders of the JCF, as well as operations officers, were put on alert Monday evening. A memorandum from Deputy Commissioner of Police Clifford Blake outlined that the strike action was imminent and any disruption of JPS service was seen as a possible threat to national security. By 9 a.m. Tuesday, business places started feeling the impact as well. Workers arriving late, small businesses with no electricity unable to open, and point-of-sale transactions impossible. National Commercial Bank forced to issue a statement to customers that interruptions in power supply have rendered ABMs and point-of-sale terminals temporarily unavailable. The power outages, which started Monday evening, were also reported in sections of Manchester, Portland and St. Thomas. For some of these communities, including Yallas in St. Thomas, no electricity means no water, a double distress for residents and households. Energy Minister Favour Williams has called on the JPS and unions representing the company's technical workers to address the wage disputes in a timely manner as a matter of national importance. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.